Have you ever wondered what data scientists actually do all the day? They analyze sales data to boost profits, build machine learning models that predict user behavior, and even harness the power of AI to solve some of the biggest challenges the companies face. But how do you get there, especially if you are starting from scratch? Well, in this video, I've got a 12-month roadmap that will take you from a total beginner to an advanced data scientist. Let's get started. Step 1. Learn to read data. In your first 2 months, you will lay the groundwork. Start with Python fundamentals like data types, functions, and libraries like pandas and numpy. Learn to visualize your data with matplotlib and seaborn to identify trends and outliers. Move to data cleaning and pre-processing, as 70% of your time will be spent in cleaning messy data. Master SQL basics like select, join to retrieve data from databases. Experiment with business intelligence tools like Power BI or Tableau to create dashboards. Get hands-on with cloud basics in AWS, including EC2 and S3. Cover basic statistics like probability, distributions, and hypothesis testing. Also get familiar with GenAI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to help you debug code and brainstorm approaches. By the end of month 2, you should have completed a couple of small projects like a sales analysis or a simple dashboard. For a deeper dive, check out Practical Statistics for Data Scientists by Peter Bruce and Andrew Bruce. Step 2. Prediction and Forecasting. In Step 2, we expand on our clean data to build predictive models. This stage focuses on applying machine learning techniques to analyze and predict outcomes based on data. Begin by learning supervised machine learning algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and random forests. These models help you to identify relationships in your data and make predictions, such as forecasting sales or predicting customer churn. Master the scikit-learn library to implement all these algorithms. Next, delve into unsupervised learning techniques like k-means clustering or DB-scan, and dimensionality reduction using the principal component analysis. These algorithms allow you to uncover hidden patterns or groupings in your data, which is useful for tasks like the customer segmentation or anomaly detection. Once you understand machine learning, jump to deep learning to handle complex data sets and large-scale data. Some of the popular neural network techniques are the artificial neural networks or ANNs, convolutional neural networks or CNNs, recurrent neural networks or RNNs, and the transformer architecture. To work with these architectures, you would need to learn some frameworks which will make it easy for you to build these various architectures. I would recommend you to learn PyTorch to build these models and Hugging Face to access some of these pre-trained models. To enhance your understanding, experiment with datasets from platforms like Kaggle or Data Hack Platform by Analytics Vidhya. Participate in challenges or create projects on complex datasets. This practical exposure ensures you build a solid foundation for tackling the real-world problems. For reference, I highly recommend the book Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Aurélien Guérin. Or you can also check out the book Machine Learning with PyTorch and Scikit-learn by Sebastian Rashka. Step 3. Model deployment and monitoring. Now that you can build models, it's time to learn how to make them useful in real-world applications. Deployment and monitoring ensure your models deliver value consistently. Begin with containerization using Docker and Kubernetes for scalability. These tools allow you to deploy the models efficiently in different environments. Explore tools like MLflow to track experiments and model versions, ensuring your projects remain organized. Monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana help detect performance issues, making you proficient in maintaining production-ready systems. To provide real-time or batch predictions, learn to create REST APIs with Flask or Fast API. These skills directly align with industry expectations, making you a stronger candidate for data science roles. By showcasing deployment-ready projects on GitHub, you position yourself as a well-rounded professional prepared for practical challenges. At this point, you are deploy ready. If you want a deeper dive on building robust pipelines, check out the book Building Machine Learning Pipelines by Hans Hapke and Catherine Nelson. Step 4. Get a data science internship. Practical experience is vital in reinforcing your knowledge and bridging the gap between theory and practice. Begin applying for internship labeled Data Science Intern or ML Intern through LinkedIn, Indeed, or your university's career portal. These roles often involve working with messy, real-world data, a crucial skill set for any data scientist. Internships expose you to complexities like missing values, data leakage, and ambiguous problem definitions. You'll collaborate with domain experts to prioritize tasks that matter the most. This hands-on exposure solidifies your technical skills while building soft skills as a teamwork, communication, and time management. Participate in hackathons and internal challenges during your internship to improve your problem solving under deadlines. These events also teach you collaborative approaches to tackling data science projects, further preparing you for a professional environment. For an insider's perspective on how data scientists think, read the book, The Data Science Handbook by Carl Shan and others. Step 5. Pick a specialization, NLP or computer vision. By now, you have gained foundational knowledge and practical experience. It's time to narrow down your focus and build expertise in a specialized area of data science, natural language processing NLP or computer vision CV. For NLP, deepen your understanding of text-based models. Explore techniques like the named entity recognition, NER, summarization, topic modeling, etc. Familiarize yourself with vector representations like TF-IDF, Word2Vec, and GLOVE. Make sure you become an expert in recurrent neural networks, attention mechanism, and transformers. Tools like Hugging Face and Spacey are invaluable for implementing these modern NLP tasks. Create a project like a custom QA system to showcase your skills. For computer vision, focus on real-world applications like the object detection, for example using YOLO and Mask RCNN, and image segmentation projects. Fine-tune your understanding of model optimization for GPU performance. Use advanced tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch for robust implementations. Build an impactful project like a real-time object detection app. Specialization ensures you develop in-demand expertise, making you a stronger candidate in a competitive job market. Make sure your choice should align with what you are passionate about. Build a big project like a custom QA system or a real-time object detection app to showcase your expertise. For deeper reading, NLP folks can check out the book Natural Language Processing in Action by Hobson Lane and Natural Language Processing with Transformers by Lewis Tunstall. For computer vision enthusiasts, you can go through Deep Learning for Vision Systems by Mohammad Al-Gandhi. Step 6. Large language models or diffusion models. In the final stage, you will explore cutting-edge AI technologies that define the forefront of modern data science. This includes working with large language models or diffusion models based on the path you choose in the step 5. If NLP is your specialization, dive into transformer-based architectures like GPT-4, Llama, and T5. Gain expertise in fine-tuning these models for specific tasks like text summarization, question answering, or chatbot development. Learn to optimize these systems with retrieval augmented generation or RAG to integrate external knowledge sources for more accurate responses. Master parameter-efficient fine-tuning techniques such as LoRa and QLoRa to handle resource constraints while customizing these language models. Experiment with frameworks like Hugging Face for accessing pre-trained models and deploying them seamlessly. I would recommend you to check the book Quick Start Guide to Large Language Models, Strategies and Best Practices for Using ChatGPT and Other LLMs by Sinan Ozdemir. If you choose computer vision, understand the core concepts behind diffusion models, including noise scheduling and reverse processes. These models power applications such as image generation, in-painting, and style transfer. Tools like Stable Diffusion and Dreambooth enable domain-specific fine-tuning for creating synthetic datasets or enhancing creative projects. You can check out the book Hands-on Generative AI with Transformers and Diffusion Models by Omar Sanseviero and Jonathan Whitaker. There you have it, a 6-step, 12-month plan to take you from a data science newbie to an advanced practitioner ready to tackle real-world challenges with machine learning and generative AI. In the months 1 and 2, master data fundamentals like Python, SQL, and statistics. Months 3 and 4, dive into machine learning, forecasting, basic deep learning. Months 5 and 6, learn to deploy and monitor models. Months 7 and 8, get real-world experience through a data science internship. Months 9 and 10, specialize in either NLP or computer vision. Months 11 and 12, go cutting edge with transformers, GANs, and diffusion models. If you enjoyed this roadmap, like this video and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on data science and AI. And drop a comment, which step are you most excited about? Thanks for watching and best of luck for your data science journey.